This next lecture is about nerves and the general organization of the nervous system and how the drugs can affect the nervous system. And that way it'll be easy for us to transfer that information to different types of medications. So the information that's going to be on your quiz for next class will be information about the sympathetic nervous system, the parasympathetic nervous system. Who do you have to worry about, in terms of conditions, if they're going to take medications that are related to the sympathetic or parasympathetic nervous system, or what are good pieces of instructions to people if they're taking medications related to the sympathetic or parasympathetic system. So the first part we have to look at is just general communication between nerves. Obviously, this is not the most beautiful picture, but there's a first neuron, which is sometimes referred to as the presynaptic neuron. And then that neuron sends a message into the synapse, which is a neurotransmitter essentially, which will either be excitatory, making more messages go forward, or inhibitory, which means it stops messages from going. And there'll be receptors on the next thing, the postsynapse. So the next thing could be another nerve, which would be a postsynaptic nerve, or it could be smooth muscle, as what would occur with the autonomic nervous system, or it could be skeletal muscle, which would be what happens with the somatic nervous system or our voluntary nervous system. And it's this area in here between the pre and post synapse and the synapse itself that the medication effects take place.